Bullish markets ahead, US CPI signals Fed rate cut, Santa rally insights and hot IPO action. First, the good news, the US CPI inflation report builds on case for December Fed interest rate cut. The US consumer prices increased by 2.7% YoY, matching street's expectations. Gift Nifty climbs after US CPI meets expectations. Earlier, the latest Friday's employment data too had cemented another interest rate reduction by the Federal Reserve. The Federal Open Market Committee's interest rate policy decision is on 18th December. Technically, the directional trend remains bullish. The Gyan mantra is to stay bullish as long as Nifty's make or break support at 24,441 holds. Long story short, bullish traders should now be bracing for some massive short covering in today's trade. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1012 crores while DIIs bought shares to the tune of Rs 2008 crores. Bullish sentiments are likely to prevail. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating slight overbought conditions on the daily charts. FANO December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has slipped towards 13.26 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th December, is at 1.22 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th December, is at 0.94. Nifty outlook, bullish day out. Nifty, CMP to 4642. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 24,441 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 24,900 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24550 and 24850. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 53391. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support seen only at 52,753 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 54,467 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 53,000 and 54,000. Bias for the day is positive. Our call of the day suggests bullish consolidation shall be the preferred theme for the day, and we suspect this time there is a bright chance to witness bullish Santa rally. Santa rally is a phenomenon that describes a tendency for the stock markets to go up, especially during the last week of December and a few days into the new year. So, all bullish eyes eagerly awaiting the arrival of Santa and his reindeer. Now, for the day, all eyes will be on India's CPI numbers, which will trickle in on Thursday, 12th December. On Friday the 13th, the WPI inflation numbers are slated to release as well. Buzzing stocks. 1. Tata Power's CEO Praveer Sinha has said that the firm intends to foray into nuclear energy when government opens up the sector. Tata Power has set an ambitious target of achieving revenue of at least 1 lakh rupees crore and a profit after tax of 10,000 crore rupees by 2030. 2. Vishal Mega Mart IPO subscription status, issue booked 51% on day 1. The retail individual investors category was leading with 44% subscription, while non-institutional investors quota fetched 68% subscription. The 8,000 crore rupees IPO is priced between 74 rupee to 78 rupee per share. Vishal Mega Mart is one of India's leading offline retailers, has a strong market position and one-stop destination for middle and lower middle-income consumers in India.